everyone, I'm Megan, and I'm Jessie. Hey Megan.
Yes?
I smell something a little strange.
Oh, it's probably this vinegar. It does smell a little odd.
Why do you have vinegar, Megan? We aren't tasting that, are we?
No, I brought it to show you a little science experiment I discovered. Watch what happens when we pour the vinegar into this bottle.
Wow! Wow! It's a miracle!
It's actually just a science experiment, Jessie. It's a chemical reaction between some baking soda and vinegar. A miracle is something amazing that only God can do.
Oh yeah, like when God made the sun to stand still in the sky through Joshua?
Yep, that's right, Jessie.
Or when God split the Red Sea in half?
That's right.
Can you think of some miracles we've learned of that in the Bible? Yeah. Wow, God is so powerful. He's done so many miracles.
In today's Bible story, we will learn about even more miracles. We will see a time when God gave Elisha the power to perform miracles. Watch to see the amazing things that happened.
Elijah was a prophet who loved God, and Elisha was his helper. It was time for God to take Elijah to heaven. As they traveled, they came to a river. Elijah rolled up his robe and hit the water with it. The water split apart and they walked across on dry ground. Elisha asked if he could have Elijah's spirit to help him, and Elijah said, "If you see me go to heaven, you will have it." As they were walking, a chariot of fire with horses divided the two men, and a whirlwind took Elijah up to heaven. Elisha picked up Elijah's robe and went back to the river. He hit the river with the robe and it split apart again. Everyone saw this and knew Elisha now had Elijah's spirit. From then on, Elisha did many miracles. In one town, the water was bad and made people sick. Elisha threw some salt into the water and God made it good again. Another time, a woman who had no money cried to Elisha because she was afraid. Elisha told her to borrow empty jars from her neighbors and pour oil into them from a small jar she had. The oil kept pouring until all the jars were full, and she sold the oil to pay what she owed. Then a woman's only son died, and she was very sad. Elisha came and prayed for the boy. The boy sneezed 7 times and then woke up. He was alive again. Another man, a commander named Naaman, had a skin disease. He went to Elisha to be healed. Elisha told him to wash in the Jordan River 7 times, and when Naaman did, his skin was healed. Elisha was a man of God who performed miracles. His story makes us think of Jesus, the Son of God, who performed miracles and rescues people from sin so we can have forgiveness and receive God's Spirit.